Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Base. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Grubhub app. If you want to get this app on your device, then this video might be helpful. So let's get started. First, open Google Play Store. Now in the search bar, type in Grubhub and perform your search. Tap on Grubhub application. To install Grubhub app, tap on the Install button. It might take a while to download this app. And this is how you can install Grubhub app. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.